That's annoying, isn't it, Sean?
Yeah, well, I was saying to Hillary when I put this on YouTube the other week, this got more comments than the washer. Oh, yeah, McDaniel's again. I told him on Saturday I'm going to be late. Going to him. No, 10 minutes away. 5 minutes. Near Stanley Street.
Oh, is that where it is?
Near there, yeah. The other end. Saying if you still live round the corner, just... No, I'll never do that. You never trust these taxi drivers these days. No. And not even her, she was a taxi driver. Imagine you know, Lawrence, you can't imagine you being like that on the road. And I said, oh yeah, Lauren. Can't imagine you swearing at drivers on the roads. You had till we Wendy, didn't you? You had till we Wendy, didn't you? What did he do? I think it's my old one. Yeah. They're the old ones, them, aren't they? But I think it's my old one. 'Cause I ain't got that iPad anymore, so.